Why?
Wagwan people, Wagwan people, first and foremost, thank you very much for being here today with Ringo Vision. I'm here with M.R. M.R. Big up yourself.
Yeah, done.
Today, people, is going to be a next amazing episode. Because you don't know, so we're going to do amazing things. We're only doing amazing things for you people, yeah? Because look at now, we have
entertainment.
Look.
Why? Fire blaze!
M.R. More want a message to go to the youth them now. Fire me a bun right now, you know.
Yeah.
I burn some fire right now.
Alright.
Youth them.
Yeah.
I want you leave this. You see this? Them type of instrument here.
Yeah.
I want you leave them in the kitchen.
Which is right.
They don't belong in your pants, one.
Right.
They don't belong in your jacket.
Right.
They don't belong nowhere on your body outside of the house, outside of the environment. People.
Preach!
Make sure you leave this in the kitchen, people, because here we are going right now. You don't know, say all of us, we come from somewhere. Yeah, and we're all going somewhere, but here, what is first and foremost? Just love yourself, and when you love yourself, you don't want nobody damage you, so nobody think to damage nobody. Yeah? Alright, look what I want, people.
No, me like them talk there in a Ringo, because real thing, people, listen, from time you have a knife, then you must cook some food.
No food,
if you don't have no food to cook, then you have no reason for carrying it.
You don't have no reason for carrying it. You don't have no reason, you have no purpose for it. So, right now, look for the purpose for the knife.
Okay.
Cut. I just, this number I want cut. I don't want cut nobody. I don't want nobody's skin to cut.
Sure.
I just the chicken I deal with today. Yeah, man.
So, what are deal with today? What are we cooking today, my bro?
You know, say a roast, we are roast this, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Them say, you know, say them people them say when the people them out of road chatty, you know, them say this them damn too much, you know. They fall back, you know.
So yeah, what them call this style a chicken? Spatchcock style.
Spatchcock style chicken.
Yeah, alright then. Yeah, so you cut the chicken straight in half.
Yeah, man.
Alright, see the
and I got my seasoning.
See the things them?
Yeah.
Boy. Red, green and yellow. Yeah, me tell you. Onion, garlic, lime, scotch bonnet, carrot. Yeah, and you done know. McGrill's Jerk Yard. Yeah. Pick them up every time. So you don't know a jerk thing.
I want to just get with the seasoning now, because it's not an itching thing now, because I see it as yeah.
See that one, yeah? What name?
Portland jerk seasoning.
Yeah. That
Portland.
That come from Portland, yeah.
Alright.
It's a good one. Fire Blaze, 24-hour kitchen and a 12-hour, man, 24. Season. Say that and the McGrills.
Yeah, man.
I use.
This and McGrill, man.
They don't know we have some natural fire going here as well. They don't know we got the this is for cooking the chicken, and this one bush tea for Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. Cause this is the kitchen today, you know, people. Yeah, man, you don't know it's a one family thing. So from time you see the cook and vibe, then you don't know say a 24-hour kitchen. And a show.
That I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
It true or it not true?
It's true.
I cook where I cook or we not cook?
True.
True. Now cook where I cook, man.
True.
True.
So, people in the comment section, a mad thing. And a true?
You know true?
Me create a true then. In the comment section.
Them sit here now you.
You know I use that piece.
No, I not use them.
Alright.
Let's have a bus.
McGrill's Jerk Yard, big up yourself every time, you know? Yeah. Oh, I'll keep this fire blazing in a 24-hour kitchen. Cause you are gone. If I kitchen 24 hours, then it's gotta keep going. Do you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, people? If you ain't subscribed, make sure you do. If you don't know what Cook and Vibe is, make sure you go and check it out. Oi. Alright then.
Yeah.
See it there.
The McGrill, you know.
McGrill's spatchcock jerk chicken. We don't play no games. I don't know if you ever thought we did, but we don't play sports. I thought we are cook and we don't play a game. Ready for the fire? Why? We have a butterfly chicken. Spatchcock chicken. You know something I like that name there, brother?
Spatchcock.
No, I don't like it. A butterfly chicken we are deal with.
Butterfly chicken.
Yeah, man, butterfly chicken we are deal with called natural. Vibes.
We have a furnace we use as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? Yeah. 24-hour kitchen. Why? So you see, I just watered down the fire piece.
Yeah, man, we just have control the fire, you know.
Ah. Okay, you know, so yeah, this is your hob. You see that bowl of water there? That's the hob. That's a natural hob. Yeah?
You see it, people.
See how it toned down a little bit from a second over. Our vibes, man. So where's Ringo? You change up the style.
Yeah, man, we change up the style, man, and just rise up it, rise the fire, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, rise the chicken. Just have it under the furnace, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Just make it go on roast like this, brother. Simple,
Okay.
and just go and add my wood.
Yeah.
Nice and slowly, make the heat rise to it, nice and easy. No depend on no rush cooking thing.
Right.
Cause remember, say it's not really a jerk pan where you can lock the jerk pan and make the steam cook on coal. It's a proper wood fire. So
Yeah.
what I just realising that raw, it would have burned up if me left it on this little.
100%.
It would have burned up.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
As me start off and say it's a fire where I burn.
Ah.
Look how much burn a fire pan the chicken too.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, man, that is a vibes, man. What do you mean, man?
So I feel like we should do with some tea and all, cause it's cold out here. So make we do with some tea for people then.
They're not true.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Ah.
Grass.
Yeah.
Fever grass.
Yeah.
Ocean moss.
Big up ocean moss, you know. Big up ocean moss every time. You get me? Yeah. The fever grass.
That could be that tinge of ginger.
Yeah.
You see it, that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Water boil up and everything, man. So, man, some fever grass I do it for it today. You see it, that?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
man.
Cause you know, so that time of the year, people are coughing and all this
God.
and
Oh gosh.
this is like a COVID jab. And a joke.
They're not true.
Ah.
Lord have mercy.
So.
Rinse it off the
All right.
Rinse off them, just rinse off, you know.
Yeah.
People, it true or not, is fever grass or is not fever grass. They're not fever grass.
It's right in the
They not
comments.
It have to be fever grass. People who don't know what is fever grass. Alright.
No, some people call it lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Yeah.
I'm not at the time of year, you know, where you have to use up them something,
Yes,
you know.
bro.
Enough, you know.
Every day I've been consuming this, bro.
Alright.
Yeah.
Fever grass, go in.
Why?
Why?
See it there? It might look like straw.
You have to go and just peel off a piece of the ginger and just drop a piece of ginger in it.
Yep.
everywhere.
Okay. Alright, tea we are deal with because you don't know the chicken is cooking.
Out the door.
Yeah, outside, you know we do things, so we just have a little tea, and you know what? We might sit on and what a little quick reasoning while we drink our tea before him deal with the cabbage and the chicken done cook and everything. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. 24-hour kitchen.
End up in ginger. A simple thing.
See that? It might just look like a simple thing, you know, people, but honestly, this is medicine.
Medicine.
This is medicine.
The fragrance that the fever grass, the lemongrass, is filling up the air already.
Kick straight away.
Kick straight already.
Lemon. Mad thing.
Good for the airways. Must good for the airways. It must
100%.
Good for the airways.
Of course it
It
is.
have to be good for the
Especially
airways.
if you stand over it like that. Yeah.
People, you know, said you could have probably take a steam with this though.
If you steamed with that, bro, that's the best thing you could do. If you have a cold and you steamed with that.
With the lemongrass.
Oh, wow. And the ginger.
And the lemon in there.
Wow.
You gone clear. Yeah,
Yeah.
people, you know, say quickly, I'm just going to deal with some vegetable quickly. Yeah, it's not.
You've always got a nice tray of vegetables going on.
Yeah.
You've always got colours.
Yeah, I have to have the colours them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got red, green and yellow.
yeah, red, green.
Yeah, but yeah.
Yeah, man, people, so
Chop up the vegetables then for the cabbage.
quickly.
Right.
So a bit of ginger I'm adding as well, Ember.
Yeah.
As you can see, we've got our carrot.
I see the Scotch bonnet in there.
See the Scotch bonnet there.
Aye!
Yeah.
Boy!
Boy.
Alright.
So what I'm going to do now as well, Ember, yeah. We've got real Jamaican vegetable vegan seasoning.
Jamaica Valley.
Jamaica Valley. Because it's a vegan thing that I'm dealing with right now as well, you know.
Yeah.
Ember. Yeah.
You know what's that? Big up Jamaica Valley. Show them the black pepper as well, because...
Yeah, man. Big up Jamaica Valley, because it's Jamaica Valley I'm working with right now with their flavours right now.
Yo,
so
it's good. You trust me. Good seasonings, man.
So I put a little bit, even though I got the Scotch bonnet pepper in there, you know, Ember.
Yeah.
I want to put a tiny little bit of the black pepper, because you know the black pepper carries its own purpose anyway.
100%.
Yeah, and it carries its own unique flavour as well, so yeah, man. So I just go and stir this for a little piece at Ember, and you know, so yeah, man. The carrot, then once the carrot them start to cook down a little bit right now, I just want to cover back the pan now, Ember, because you know what's going to go in there next, Ember?
Go on.
I go on, sorry, before I cover the pan, let me check it out. I already go down green meal deal with people, yeah?
Alright.
Alright. See it there? We add that in the thing. Let me just stir it up a little bit.
Yeah.
That's the shape that I want, you know. I'm not going for that shredded style of cabbage. This is the style I want.
Yes,
so
I always notice that with Caribbean cabbage.
So I go with the grooves. So all you can see, the cabbage, I just cut with the grooves. So I already got the shape.
Right.
I cut as thin as I want. There you go. I got my shape.
Right.
Them little thin shreds there. Yeah, man. I just do it simple, man. I one little thing, man. You see it in there? Yeah, that big piece there. You can take that out. Put that one side there. Cooler, man. Respect.
Fever grass. Ginger.
Yeah. That's a one.
It's my favourite one. Like, you know, out of bush teas, like it's the most flavourful one for me. You get me? You can't go wrong with lemon, is it?
No, you can't go wrong with lemon.
True. So yeah, we there. I thought, you know what? 24-hour kitchen.
Yeah.
Make we chill out and drink our tea and...
That's not true.
Yeah.
Cause in them time, I know him that.
Time to
First,
think.
yeah, time to think. But first and foremost, you know, I will give thanks, huh? I give thanks for life.
Jaja.
Yeah, I give thanks for life.
True.
Yeah. And we just have to say, go and big up life and respect life, you know, and endorse life, because life are the biggest thing right now in that.
Life are the biggest thing, man.
Because if you look at life, knowing everybody, we can't even appreciate the fever grass, you know.
Yeah, everybody worries about bare things, you know, brother. But the most important thing is life, and most of them have it.
Especially in the time right now.
This
Just
time,
big up life.
yeah.
And life we are big up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are big up life.
So
right
from
now.
time you say life and you say good energy and you say positive vibes, you don't know, jump in the comment section and join.
Yeah.
Yeah,
not a joke.
So while going with 24-hour kitchen, man, what's new? What's going on? Any new ideas? Any new...
Bare new ideas for the people them, because right now I want to give the people them. I got this Airbnb episode.
Right.
I want to give the people them. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing some camping outside in a tent or something. Some outdoor adventure.
Okay. Yeah.
It's an overnight thing.
See that?
It's an overnight thing, people. So we're going to give you an overnight flex. I'm not too sure what's going to be on the menu though.
Right.
But it's you know it's
good vibes that.
Yeah, you know it's outside and adventure again.
Know the thing.
Yeah.
Madness. Woyoy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right. So yeah, I will. You don't know, Cook and Vibe, we're always active, people. Always active. You get me? Bare new content. Just go check it out, man. Just go subscribe. You know the thing go. It's a one connection. Big up Cooking with Bling. You don't know. And we've got some other collaborations and a chill.
Done show?
But me not say nothing yet. Me not tell them, brother.
Nah, tell them.
Me not tell them.
Big up on yourself, general them, because them know how.
They know how.
Yeah, man, them know how, man.
Yeah.
And at the same time as well, yeah, man, is a good vibes, man, and it's towards the end of the year as well, and the year has been fruitful.
Yeah.
In the sense of life again.
Yeah.
Because life, man can There, so
Well, yeah, we link up this year. So when was it we linked up? What month was it?
around June.
Because the sunshine's still ablaze them times, there, innit?
Yeah, around
So
June
summertime.
time. Around June time, then I see, brother.
That was probably my favourite episode so far.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you know, say, it's difficult, people, in this time, yeah, in this weather. It's difficult. Like, man go through a madness. Like, it started to rain out there. Chicken left out. Hopefully, it's all right,
I'm not even said too much, but hopefully, Jaja,
Jaja look after the food.
Look after car. We set up the chicken on the fire. Them say I spit. What them say I spit chicken.
Spatchcock. Spatchcock. But me don't like that name there. So
yeah, we had a spatch chicken. I don't know about the other sitting, but the spatch chicken.
We don't want any.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want any. Why for that?
Yeah, man. Shoes less, man. People don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I mean, I end that. It's true or not true?
It's
that
true.
We there in a real life or not?
It's true, bro.
It's true. People,
True.
it's true. So if you know, say you're a real fan, just say put it's true.
True.
It's true.
True.
In the comment
True.
section, just put it's true.
True.
Yeah, because I don't go on.
Don't know we're picking up the slogans, them.
Yeah.
So you don't know why I
Shoes less.
tie up the place like shoes lace. A
Yeah.
feeling thing that.
Yeah.
And true or not true. I true.
I true. I true today in a real life.
Yeah, man, you don't know cook and vibe. We're fully for slogans. Look and learn. No measurements. Why I? You get me? You know me. that one there, like, you know what, that one there, that one there is like, I had some white virgins and they're proper, like, their accent, their proper Cockney accent, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I always found it funny the way they said, like, you know what I'm saying, or you know what I mean? They said, like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? And I just thought it was so funny one day, my virgin like drawed it out and so he's like, you know what I mean? Yeah. And from then, but it's just been like a vibes thing. So just a kind of vibes thing.
Man,
everything I just have vibes.
You have to just work with it, man.
Mm.
Yeah, man, but you know, so I want to big up the people where I support the Ringo Vision movement from morning as well. Yeah. The people know who they are.
The early subscribers.
The early subscribers, them big up yourself. Well appreciated. People, you know, say we're trying to get to the monetization people on the Ringo Vision platform. So yeah, watch this right now. Go over to the Ringo Vision platform and just hit the subscribe button because
takes 1 second.
1 second. And
literally.
Not just that as well, some nice things are forward.
Yeah, man. And I do say, you know, just tell your people them and tell your people them for tell your people them because monetization we are looking for right now in 24-hour kitchen because it ain't 12 hours and it especially ain't 4 hours.
24 hours.
You get me?
20, right around the clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a 24-hour, man.
So, we're not dry it out too long, people. 24-hour kitchen, so it means that food are on. So, I feel like we should check on the food and them thing there, really and truly. But, yeah, man, I go to all the vibes sometimes, and because every time it feels like it's a madness, you know, doing Cook and Vibe and doing Ringo Vision, doing a 24-hour kitchen is a lot of work.
A lot of work.
You know, especially like when we work together, it's either someone coming out of their comfort zone and going to a completely different place and cooking is so much easier when you're cooking in your own facility and doing your own thing. Do you know what I'm saying? So right now we really do this for the people then. And I hope your people them know this.
Yeah.
That you travel all the way to Kent to just get like different footage for you, just so you've got a different background.
You see?
And our vibes, obviously, because you know, how we work together, but that's what so you have to show support. And you see, even pressing that like button, it actually helps. I don't know how, but it does.
But it does.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, man, I'm the time this and I'm ready for take him off, you know.
What are you saying, ready?
Yeah, man.
Ready? Why?
Yeah, see there?
It looks good, you know, bro.
Work out, don't. Yeah, man.
Jerk butterfly chicken.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Look on the fire.
Still ablaze.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mad thing.
A mad thing. Yeah. Alright, people, yeah, this is what time it is, yeah. This is your spatch chicken, yeah. on the grill. You
We
see
changed the
people?
name, you know. Yo.
Yeah, I spatch chicken, but this is the style here today. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the steamed cabbage leaf that I've washed and everything. So we're gonna serve up.
In the cabbage leaf. All right.
Yeah,
Nacho.
Nacho.
You see the rice and peas there. Woyoy. Yeah, man. All right. Yeah.
Yes, people, this is it. Big up people, yeah, for staying alive, staying tuned today, yeah.
Woyoy.
See it, yeah? Yeah, man, it's your steamed cabbage inside the cabbage, yeah.
Nice.
We've got the rice and peas served in the calabash, yeah.
Nice.
Hot pepper sauce.
Woyoy.
Yeah, and then we've got chicken, grilled chicken outside on the pie. It's not your jerk chicken, but it's your grilled chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Spatch.
Spatch chicken.
In the word about the other bit, to spatch. Yeah. So it's a taste time.
Taste that, man.
All right. Woyoy.
Woyoy.
Taste time. Do you know what? I try some of my hot sauce.
Like it, bad, innit?
Well, you know, the fruitiness. Chicken's good. Yeah, I tell ya.
See the style, yeah? Yeah, man.
But I like the little idea with the plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. 24-hour kitchen style. What them call it? The word's gone out of my head. What's the name for it when you presentation?
Presentation. Yeah.
Rice and peas good. Steamed cabbage good. Woyoy.
Woyoy, people.
Everything is good still.
Wagwan people, you know what time it is? It's Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people, yeah. I want you people, yeah, to order your 24-hour kitchen cutting board right now, yeah, for your Christmas presents, your Christmas gifts, yeah. Thank you very much, people, yeah, for staying tuned with this episode here, yeah. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. It was a mad move today, my G, yeah. Alright, say nothing, people, yeah. Respect, bless up everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, people, yeah. Let me say, don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe, and don't forget to what? Order your cutting board today, people. You're done now. Big up yourself.